Hey everybody, it's Future Inventions here, and today I will be unboxing the PowerMonkey Explorer. So first of all, I'd like to thank Paragon Sports for providing this product. You can visit them online at paragonsports.com, and also you can visit their store at 18th and Broadway in Manhattan. Okay, so here's the box. Let's come up close. PowerMonkey Explorer. Also, you can see it has a solar panel, and this is the battery itself. Here it says hours of power for your cell phone, 96 hours standby, iPod 40 hours, game console 6 hours, PDA 48 hours, MP3 player 6 hours, GPS up to 8 hours, digital camera up to 16,000 extra photos. Okay, so also down here you can see instant power anywhere, tough and water resistant, light, most versatile charger, solar, USB or mains charged, whatever that means. Here you can see it's powered by sunlight. It supports USB, and also you can plug it into the wall to charge it too. Also, it says here made for iPod. You can see a few pictures up here. On the top, it's sort of similar. The back, we have a bit other text if you want to take a few seconds to read it right now. I'm not going to read it, just waste a bit of time. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, first off, here you need to pull this out, and this comes up, and the box sort of comes away to reveal this nice looking pouch. Now we can unzip the pouch, and inside you'll find two modules. I'll get into that in a minute. You have this nice case that came in it. Also, here we have a few power adapters. This, I don't know what country this is, but this is one of them. Sorry, there's this little fly that's been flying around my room. I don't know where he came from, but probably taking refuge from the cold. Also, here, here is the charger thing itself. Yeah, sorry about that little fly. Also, here's the American charger, which I will need. Charger adapter, I mean. And here's another one. Now here, we have more adapters. I'll come close to show you. We have just USB here. We have 3 volt something, E900 or V3, V66, LG, PSP, DC 2.0, USB. This is female, while this one is male. K750i, and iPod, and these are all the adapters that fit into it. Also, here we have some little instruction guide that seems to flip open like this. Wow. And fortunately, it is in color. Here's a map. I don't know what, I haven't read this before, so I don't know what it's for. And I want to keep this pretty quick. We also have a nice little carrying pouch. It seems to be Velcro. It says PowerMonkey Explorer.com. So here's a pouch. We have it open. And last we seem to have some sort of strap. I'm not sure what that's for, but I guess it's to strap all of this together. So I'll put this to the side here. So this is a solar panel, actually. See here, it just comes out like that, and you can no, you can't see it, but I'll come in close, and there is a little light right here, a little green light. It shows when it's charging. Can you see it just a little bit? Well, you can see it more over here, or at least I can see it more over here. See that little light? That indicates it has power. And I actually get better light if I have it up like this, and if I cover it, the light goes off because my my lamp is right up there. Also, we have the battery. Go up close here, push the button, turn it on. Obviously, I haven't read the instructions. Okay, here we go. So, here it shows the battery life of this. It says PowerMonkey. Apparently, you have to hold it down for a few seconds. Here is the tip here. Here, this is where you can put all the adapters on there. Also, this comes from the solar panel. If we plug the solar panel in, then it actually shows that it's charging. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes, the charge meter goes up from the bottom again and again. See that? So that probably indicates that it's charging this battery. And also, like I said before, you can also charge it from the wall, and that's great. I'm actually gonna try my iPod too. So let me just get an adapter here. Oops. Let me get an adapter. Here is the iPod adapter. Just plug this in here and plug this right in here. Let's see what it does. And there we go, it's charging. And I'm pretty sure you can also charge the battery while you're charging an external device. And just, oh no, you can't. So, also I wonder if you can charge it just from the solar panel. That would be cool. No, it doesn't seem that you can, but you can charge it from the battery pack, and that's great. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. There we go. It should, yeah, now it's going to start charging. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. There it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please check out Paragon Sporting Goods. Like I told you before, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye.